Hello and welcome to another episode of Weekly Current Affairs Quiz. Question 1. Which organization issued the approval for the Char Dham road construction, which is part of a strategic route in Uttarakhand? A. Uttarakhand Forest Department. B. Border Roads Organization. C. Highway Authority of India. D. Indian Army. The correct answer is B. Border Roads Organization. The Border Roads Organization was granted approval by the Uttarakhand Forest Department to construct the road stretch as part of the Char Dham route, which holds strategic importance for the region. Question 2. What is the current conservation status of Thalbergia latifolia, Indian rosewood, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature? A. Endangered. B. Critically endangered. C. Vulnerable. D. Near threatened. The correct answer is C. Vulnerable. Indian rosewood is classified as vulnerable by the IUCN since 2018, reflecting its declining populations and increasing threats due to exploitation and habitat loss. Question 3. Which tribe in Wayanad district locally refers to the newly discovered tuber species as Chola kizangu? A. Kattunaikar tribe. B. Muthuvan tribe. C. Kurichya tribe. D. Panya tribe. The correct answer is A. Kattunaikar tribe. The Kattunaikar tribe of Wayanad refers to the newly discovered species as Chola kizangu, highlighting its local importance as an edible tuber. Question 4. Which of the following tools is used for mapping the underground water systems beneath the Great Salt Lake? A. Airborne electromagnetic surveys. B. Optical microscopes. C. Geothermal probes. D. High-frequency sound waves. The correct answer is A. Airborne electromagnetic surveys. Airborne electromagnetic surveys are used to map the underground water systems and detect hidden freshwater reserves beneath the Great Salt Lake. Question 5. Which AI model is specifically used to help with translation for low-resource tribal languages in Adivani? A. GPT-3. B. NLLB. C. BERT. D. Robert A. The correct answer is B. NLLB. Adivani uses the No Language Left Behind AI model for low-resource tribal languages, ensuring accurate and effective translations despite limited language data. Question 6. What is the term used to describe the ocean current system that includes the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation? A. Thermohaline Circulation. B. Indian Ocean Dipole. C. El Nino Southern Oscillation. D. Pacific Decadal Oscillation. The correct answer is A. Thermohaline Oscillation. AMOC is part of the thermohaline circulation, which is responsible for regulating oceanic heat distribution and nutrient movement across the world's oceans. Question 7. Which country was identified as the largest contributor to the increase in global emissions from fossil fuel operations in the first half of 2025? A. India. B. China. C. United States. D. Brazil. The correct answer is C. United States. The United States contributed more than half of the global increase in emissions from fossil fuel operations, reflecting its heavy reliance on oil, gas, and coal despite global efforts for energy transition. Question 8. Which country's air quality has seen consistent improvement over the last decade as mentioned in the AQLI report? A. India. B. Bolivia. C. Brazil. D. China. The correct answer is D. China. The report states that China has seen consistent improvements in air quality over the last decade despite a slight increase in 2023, largely due to stringent policies such as restrictions on coal plants and car usage. Question 9. Which article of the Paris Agreement is the basis for the India-Japan Joint Credit Mechanism? A. Article 6.1. B. Article 10.4. C. Article 12.3. D. Article 6.2. The correct answer is D. Article 6.2. The India-Japan Joint Credit Mechanism operates under Article 6.2 of the Paris Agreement, which facilitates voluntary international cooperation in climate action, including the use of carbon markets. Question 10. How do blue dragon sea slugs camouflage themselves in the water? A. They change color to blend with the environment. B. They have a transparent body. C. Their underside is white, blending with sunlight. D. They release ink to cloud the water. The correct answer is C. Their underside is white, blending with sunlight. Blue dragons have a white underside that helps them blend with the sunlight when viewed from below, aiding their camouflage in the water. Question 11. Which three languages is Xiao He, the humanoid robot, fluent in? A. Spanish, French, Chinese. B. Chinese, English, Russian. C. Russian, English, Arabic. D. Hindi, Chinese, Russian. The correct answer is B. Chinese, English, Russian. Xiao He is fluent in Chinese, English, and Russian, which enables it to assist a diverse range of journalists at the SCO Summit. Question 12. What initiative did NCERT launch to support inclusive education for children with disabilities? A. Prashast 2.0 tool. B. Diksha platform. C. Inclusive curriculum training. D. National Education Support Fund. The correct answer is A. Prashast 2.0 tool. Prashast 2.0 is an enhanced tool to help in the early identification of children with disabilities and integrates with other educational platforms for better support. Question 13. Which period does the jarosite mineral in Matanomad date back to? A. Paleocene. B. Jurassic. C. Cretaceous. D. Triassic. The correct answer is A. Paleocene. The jarosite in Matanomad has been dated to the Paleocene period, approximately 55 million years ago, aligning with the timeline of potential Mars conditions. Question 14. Where was the Vikram 32 chip developed? A. Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Thiruvananthapuram. B. Indian Space Research Organization, Bengaluru. C. Semiconductor Laboratory, Chandigarh. D. IIT Madras. The correct answer is C. Semiconductor Laboratory, Chandigarh. The Vikram 32 chip was developed by ISRO's Semiconductor Laboratory in Chandigarh, built to handle the extreme conditions of space missions. Question 15. What is the current electrification rate in the Asia-Pacific region according to the SCAP report? A. 85%. B. 98.6%. C. 90%. D. 95%. The correct answer is D. 98.6%. The electrification rate in the Asia-Pacific region rose to 98.6% in 2023, leaving around 50 million people still without power. Question 16. Which region will host the World Congress for the first time? A. North America. B. Europe. C. MENA region. D. Asia Pacific. The correct answer is C. MENA region. This will be the first time that the World Congress is being held in the MENA, Middle East and North Africa region. Question 17. What is the total value of the incentive scheme approved by the Union Cabinet to develop recycling capacity for critical minerals? A. Rupees 1,000 crore. B. Rupees 3,000 crore. C. Rupees 2,000 crore. D. Rupees 15,000 crore. The correct answer is D. Rupees 1,500 crore. The Union Cabinet approved an incentive scheme worth Rs 1,500 crore to develop recycling capacity for critical minerals under the National Critical Mineral Mission. Question 18. Which country has been ranked number 1 in the 2025 Global Peace Index for 18 consecutive years? A. Ireland. B. New Zealand. C. Iceland. D. Switzerland. The correct answer is C. Iceland. Iceland has been ranked the most peaceful country for 18 consecutive years according to the 2025 GPI due to its low crime rates, minimal militarization, and strong sense of community. Question 19. Which group is most disproportionately affected by mental health conditions according to the WHO report? A. Men. B. Children. C. Women. D. Elderly. The correct answer is C. Women. Women are disproportionately affected by mental health conditions, particularly anxiety and depression, as per the WHO report. Question 20. Which of the following species is not a part of the big four snakes responsible for most envenomations in India? A. Common krait. B. Indian cobra. C. Russell's viper. D. Saw-scaled viper. The correct answer is B. Indian cobra. The big four species are the common krait, Russell's viper, saw-scaled viper, and spectacled cobra. The Indian cobra is not part of this group.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.